In the world of orthopedic surgery, precision and performance are paramount. That's why leading medical manufacturers turn to electropolishing, a specialized surface treatment that enhances the quality and functionality of stainless steel implants and instruments.
Electropolishing is an electrical chemical process, so it employs electrical current at a positive rate, and it also uses chemistry to polish stainless steel parts.
It's the reverse of plating. It deburrs and it leaves a cleaner, brighter finish.
The benefits of electropolishing for the orthopedic industry are undeniable. Firstly, it improves the corrosion resistance of stainless steel implants, reducing the risk of premature failure and ensuring long-term reliability. Electropolished implants provide a smoother surface finish, which promotes better integration with surrounding tissues and reduces the risk of inflammation and infection. Additionally, electropolishing enhances the biocompatibility of stainless steel, making it more compatible with the human body. This is particularly important for orthopedic implants, where biocompatibility is crucial for the patient's safety and long-term success. At New England Electropolishing, we specialize in providing high-quality electropolishing services tailored to the unique needs of the orthopedic industry. With decades of experience in state-of-the-art equipment, we deliver superior results that meet the highest standards of quality and precision. Our system and processes all conform to the ISO 13485 quality standards. When it comes to stainless steel orthopedic implants, parts and components, trust the experts at New England Electropolishing to deliver the performance and reliability you need for successful surgical outcomes. Contact us today to learn more about electropolishing and how it can benefit your orthopedic devices manufacturing process. New England Electropolishing is committed to exceeding the highest standards in electropolishing to achieve consistent, repeatable results, whether it's on one part or 100,000 units. New England Electropolishing, your medical device electropolishing experts.